Thank you, House Chair. House Chair, the ACDP played a key role in the drafting of the Child Justice Act, which was and is a groundbreaking piece of legislation. And it aims to keep children out of detention and away from the formal criminal justice system, mainly through restorative justice measures such as diversion, where such children do not present a danger to society. And it allows the child's background or upbringing to be taken into consideration and ensures that the individual needs and circumstances of children in conflict with the law are assessed before a decision is made on how courts deal with the child. It basically gives children a second chance where they've committed crimes to prevent them being exposed to imprisonment, where in many cases they can be raped and abused into a lifetime of crime. Now, over the years, the provisions of the Act have been applied with a degree of success. Lessons have been learned, however, resulting in various amendments, including those passed in 2019 to increase the minimum age of criminal capacity and to retain the rebuttable presumption for children who are older than 12 years but younger than 14 years. And the regulations being considered today are largely of a technical nature, which have been dealt with by previous speakers. Now, the Amendment Act has not come into operation, and it is envisaged that the draft regulations will come into operation on the same date. Therefore, once Parliament has approved the amendments to the regulations, a commencement date for the Amendment Act can be determined. May I also, in conclusion, just say that Parliament's required approval of these regulations illustrates that it is totally acceptable and in no way an infringement on executive power, as was argued earlier in the rejection of the Disaster Management Amendment Bill. It all depends on what the Act states regarding regulations. And in this case, the Act requires the regulations to be tabled and passed by Parliament before they come into operation. The ACDP supports this report. I thank you.